Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can perform the hard reset of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra via recovery mode. So in order to open the recovery mode, first we will need to plug our Samsung to PC or laptop by using the USB cable. So let's plug it in. And now the next thing that we need to do is power off the device. Let's power off. And now after that, once the device is off, we need to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. By doing so, if you press and hold it until you see the recovery mode, then you should be able to, of course, open the recovery mode. If you have this charging information, then you might to start again by pressing these two buttons. All right, at this point we can release buttons. Now over here, what we need to do is simply scroll down with volume button. So if you press volume down, you will go down. If you press volume up, you will go up. And over here, you should be able to find wipe data / factory reset. In order to confirm, use the side button or the power button. And then in order to confirm, go down. And over here, you have factory data reset. Press the power button in order to confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.